Hello and welcome everyone to Shanvi Study Circle. The only place where you'll get all the B.Ed lesson plans and micro teaching plans. Our today's subject is English grammar and the topic is adjective. So this is a main page of the lesson plan where first we fill the entries, like we have here date, subject, and period, whatever it is, the class we are teaching, and the topic. Don't forget to underline this topic. The duration is 35 minutes, as we all know. The duration of a lesson plan is 35 minutes. Next, we have general objectives. So general objectives are based on the subject. जनरल ऑब्जेक्टिव जो होते हैं वो हमारे सब्जेक्ट पे बेस्ड होते हैं. जैसे कि इंग्लिश है तो इंग्लिश पे बेस्ड होंगे, पूरे इंग्लिश को कवर अप करते हैं. एंड नेक्स्ट वी हैव स्पेसिफिक ऑब्जेक्टिव्स विच आर ऑन बेस्ड ऑन आर टॉपिक. जो भी हमारा टॉपिक होता है उस पर हमारे बेस्ड होते हैं स्पेसिफिक ऑब्जेक्टिव्स. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट वी हैव मटीरियल एड्स. सो वॉट एवर मटीरियल एड्स और टीचिंग एड्स यू आर यूजिंग इन वाइल टीचिंग in the class, you can mention them here. Then next comes previous knowledge. So like our topic is adjective, so student must possess the knowledge of noun and pronoun, so this will be mentioned in the previous knowledge. Next we form introductory questions. So in this we have two columns here: pupil teacher activity and student activity. So pupil teacher will write some sentences on the blackboard, and on the basis of that sentence he'll ask some questions. So like you can see here, there's a sentence, and on the basis of that sentence 3 questions are asked. And the last, don't forget that the last question should be a problematic question, and that will be about the topic of the plan. So after introductory questions, this pupil teacher will make a statement of aim that today we'll discuss about the adjectives. Next comes the presentation part, and in this we have analysis first. So here we have made 6 columns. The first one is teaching aid, the second is expected behavior change, the next one we have pupil teacher activity, then student activity, device and method, and blackboard work. So in teaching point, we first we are writing here analysis. This, then in expected behavior change we'll write that the student will be able to analyze the sentences. And in pupil teacher activity, pupil teacher will write that pupil teacher will analyze the sentences with the help of students. So here we have sentences one by one. We'll take at least 5 to 6 sentences, and on the basis of that sentences we'll ask some questions for their analyzation, like you can see in the plan. And in student activity we'll write the answers and what students will do. Device and method, whatever you are using, which whatever method you are using, like we are using here questioning method. And in blackboard work, whatever the important words or adjectives that come in sentences, you can write them here in the blackboard work. So these are the third and fourth sentence and their questions based on the analyzation part. Next we have fifth and sixth sentence. So like I told you that we have to make at least 5 to 6 sentences for the analyzation part. Next comes generalization. So here you can write on the blackboard at least 5 to 6 words, and you'll ask the students that what is the similarity between these words. The students will reply that all these words are adjectives. Then you'll ask for the definition. Next comes the definition of adjectives. So we'll write the definition and its types and give some examples also, and we can write this definition on blackboard also. Next comes the instruction part, that pupil teacher will instruct the class to copy down the blackboard summary or blackboard work on the on in his notebook, and he will instruct supervise the class while doing this also. Next, we have practice questions where we can give identification of adjectives in the sentences, or underline adjectives in the sentences. Next, we have recapitulation questions where we can give fill in the blanks. And finally, we come to our home assignment. So in this first question, we have that change the following nouns to adjectives, and next we have that write 5 examples or sentences using adjectives. Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more plans.